Hello student, welcome to my class of computer. Today we will understand the following content of the day. That is, according to the CBSE syllabus, fifth one point we will cover of the digital documentation, that is how to use the print option. In this we will consider the following points, in which one, the first one is demonstrate the print document, select the pages in the document, okay, and print the document with the various option. At last preview the page for before printing. So student, as you can see in this particular note, we will understand how to print a document. So let us understand it theoretically first. To quickly print the document without any option, click print icon. Okay student, here you can see like this print icon, as I will show you in OpenOffice 4.1.7. To directly we are going to print, we have to click on print icon. The entire document will be sent to the default printer, okay, defined in your computer. So student, there are number of the computer may be attached in your computer. I am to say CPU, okay, maybe a software printer, I am to say programmatically based or printer, or the hardware based of the printer also. So whatever the default, the particular command goes to that printer. It is known as default printer. Okay, now we can talk about what is print preview. A print preview is a useful to check the document before printing. A user can check whether the document is prepared as needed, such as indentation, border, etc. So student, actually print preview is helpful for the overall detail of the page before printing. So you can see this diagram, student, print dialog box, okay. In this preview will show you how data will looks, I am to say content will looks before printing, okay, and it will show you what is the indentation, border, etc. Indentation means that the gap between the paper and the writing edge, okay, and border, that means to say a line that is designed, okay, in the form of vertical and horizontal line, okay, at the edge of the pages. Now we can say the controlling of the printer. So to control the printer, there is option, go to file and print, or directly print, press the Ctrl P as a shortcut key. And now you can choose the page as per your requirement, how many pages you want to print, okay, and you can select the printer also by using this triangle button, okay. The list of the name will be show you how many printer you have, which one is default. By default is the command is going to default computer MC printer, but you can select according to your own printer choice, okay. And now at last we will learn printing pages, all pages, single page or multiple pages, okay. So let's do practically now. So to do that we have to open OpenOffice 4.1.7, okay. So I have to select a text document. So before I want to print, I need to see the print preview also. So I can't see the blank print preview. So what I'm going to do, student, I'm going to just copy the content of a particular study material, okay, and then we can see how it looks. So I'm just copying this one data, student, and now I can paste it. Okay student, you can see I have just copied the document detail from the note copy, I'm to say text material, and I have just copy here. And now I'm going to just see how the print preview looks. To print directly, you have to press this one button, that is print icon in standard toolbar, okay. So print file directly, it will select and directly print it. You can see this particular file will come, ask me to save. If I'm going to save it, now you can see this particular file will be created as I just saved it. So now I can see, student, I have saved this file, just copied and printing. It is in a PDF format now. And now I am talking about print preview. So go to file and then click on print option, okay. So it will show you print a preview along with the options also. Or you can do one thing, press Ctrl P, this dialog box will appear in front of you directly, okay. So we are talking about print preview. So go to file option and then go to print preview option. So you can see, student, print preview option will show you, okay, this particular layout, okay, how it looks like this, okay. You can increase the zoom level also, okay. so how your data is fit in on the page also. So you can close print preview like this also, okay, and this also. And now again go to file and print preview in a web browser. So select this one thing. In a web browser it will show you, okay, if you are going to print the web browser preview, okay, it will looks like this also, okay, it will open the web browser option. Or you can go to the file and directly click on print. Okay, so here you can see, student, the detail has come along with some color also, heading are in color format. Okay, you can select the option in general tab, Qt PDF writer, eBeam book, fax machine, okay, Microsoft XPS writer, send note to one. Okay, so these are the all option, and you can check which one is default. So click on detail, you can see that location is null, status is this one thing. So you can select one of the portable landscape mode also. Okay, layout is by default, so you can select one of them. And now you can select all pages here by number of copies, how many number of copy you want. Okay, by default is 1, or you can select the range from 1 to 2. So to do that, student, I am going to do one thing. I am going to make this particular page, okay, using page break. Okay, so here we can consider there are two pages, page 1 and page 2. Okay, so what I am going to do, student, I am going to just click on file option, then after that click on the print option, and inside that I will show you by default 1 and page 2. So if I want to only print page 1, so you can see in print preview, student, only one page has come. Otherwise to print like this also 1-2, okay, so it means to say from 1 to 2. Okay, suppose that there are number of the files, I am say sheets are there or pages are there, you can direct provide here number 1 4-, it means to say from 1 to 4. Okay, student, so by this option you can just print all pages are there, okay, by selecting all pages, or you have to know the number of them, how many pages are there. So select this. Now I am talking about if there are more pages, so I am going to enter another one, what thing, page break here, insert manual break, and then after that page break. So now you can see, student, how many pages I have 3 of 3, that means 3 pages. So now I am going to show you how to control the select the pages. Suppose that, student, if I am going to just print 1 and 3 page only, 1 and 3, so here you can do one thing, 1, 3. So here only 2 pages has printed, student. First one is thing 1 and second one thing is third. Okay, by separating comma you can provide the different number of the page also. And now open Office Writer. So here are some option. Okay, for example, you can see the particular heading R comes in a orange color. You can click on the print text in black. So by this you can see that every pages are considered under the black heading. Okay, student, so I am going to show you all pages. Okay, in this Open Writer Office, so you can see page number 1 contain 2 heading in orange color, 1 heading, and third is blank by default. I am to say black and white. So select this one thing, you can see black and white color has come, there is no color in anything. So by selecting this one thing, you can use page background, picture, other graphics, hidden text placeholder. Okay, so I will show you, student, after formatting the page. So we have to go to insert option, okay, sorry, format option, then after that go to page option and select any color of the page color, like suppose that this one color. Okay, click on this, it is my background color of the page, and this one is special character. Okay, that is non-printable characters. Okay, and some shape I want to insert here. I am to say insert this particular area, that is suppose that this diamond I have drawn here. Okay, along with some color, double click on it and provide here color. You can say that color like be whatever. Okay, here you can see text I have entered here. Okay, and now I'm going to print it. So go to file option and then after that go to print option. Now you can see the page second. Okay, so here you can see, student, I'm not selecting this. Okay, I'm going to go to file and then click on print option, and here all pages are there, Open Office. So picture and shape, if you are going to just deselect the disable this particular, the picture will not come. If you deselect the background, so background will erase. Okay, so same way, if you can click on this, so color will be background black and white. And now page layout, student. Page layout as per sheet 1 2 3 4 5 6 custom also. Okay, according to the order, draw the border around the page, so you can see border will draw around the page also. Okay, and now include all pages like back side, left side, front page. So whatever the page layout we are going to set here, it will be applicable to according to this option. Okay, by default is all option. Now we are talking about the option print to file. Okay, it means to say whatever we are going to print, it will be considered as a single file. Okay, create a single print job for a collected output. Whatever we are going to print, it will consider as print job for the collected output. Okay, and use only paper tray for the printer preference. Okay, so it means to say whatever the printer tray are in a printer, it consider as this particular printer tray will be print forever. Okay, there is no mixed type of pages will take. So now after that I am going to select this particular Qt PDF writer. Okay, you can select student eBeam also. So I am going to select this and I am going to just print it, because I have a software based printer installed in my computer. So it will ask me the file name where I want to save. So here my file name is print job. Okay student, now I am going to just save it, and after saving this file, my file will be considered as a PDF file. So file my name is a print job. So select on this. Now you can see that I have deselect the background of the page. Okay, and image has come, color has come. Okay, if I'll show you this one thing, I will delete it. Okay, I will delete this one thing. If I'll show you by printing option, go to file and then after that after print option, and you have to office writer and select the background writer also. Okay, so now you can just print it. So now you can see the option will appear in front of me after few seconds, and name of the print job again. And now I am going to save it. So after saving this, minimize this and just open this particular file. You can see now background also has come, because of I have a label or select the background also, that is page background also. So student, we have covered today the digital documentation, okay, as a syllabus. Okay, I will give you some homework regarding to this, so do the question and answer. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.